back to Rafamoji's TV. Today we're gonna unbox my brand new My Little Pony toy. We're gonna unbox my brand new My Little Pony toy. I just want to thank you, Daddy, for giving me this toy. I just got it today. Come on, let's open it all together. Guys, I took off everything in the box and here's what we have. First we got Sunny Sparky, Princess Petals with the cute pet dragon. He's so small. We have a stage with a big rainbow right here. And now we have this bag that looks like a radio, but when you press the play button, it makes some sounds. And then back here, you have a little cubby and some tree crowns decorations. And right here we have a sink, a golden sink. You can take it out so you can put some batteries, and we put the batteries. But wait, there's more. And first, when you open this, there's a box full of surprise in it. Let's take it out. Ooh, it has two holes in one square hole. Let's see what's inside. There's a lot of there's stickers, and there's a bag with some surprises in it. It got this hair dryer, a big phone. We got the big pizza box. We got a hair dryer, a little phone with a little slice of pizza, and then the other slice of pizza with a mirror, and then we have a guitar. Guys, this is all we got. This is the hair dryer. And then up front and over here, you take one of your characters. They each have the spot in front and the bottom of them. And now you put them here. And then it lights up and then makes music. Bye guys! Thank you for watching. Hey guys, that's all what we got for now. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Bye guys! See you on my next video. Peace out.